When someone asks you to name ChatGPT's biggest competitors, you immediately think Grok and Claude, right? But while everyone's been watching that battle, there's another AI assistant quietly building features that make ChatGPT look outdated in crucial areas. This platform consistently crushes ChatGPT in research accuracy, real-time information, and actually showing you where answers come from. Yet most people think it's just a search engine competing with Google. I'm talking about Perplexity AI, and what we discovered will change how you think about which AI assistant deserves your money. Here at BitBiased AI, we dove deep into both platforms across every tier, and the comparison isn't even close in some areas. Why Perplexity is more than a search engine. Calling Perplexity. Just a search engine is like calling ChatGPT just a text generator. Both descriptions miss what these platforms have become. Perplexity handles the exact same core tasks as ChatGPT: complex reasoning, content creation, code generation, data analysis, and creative projects. The difference isn't what it can do, it's how it does it. Here's the revolutionary part. While ChatGPT gives you answers and hopes you trust them, Perplexity shows you exactly where every piece of information comes from with instant source citations. The platform includes Perplexity Labs for creating spreadsheets and presentations, real-time web browsing, and access to multiple cutting-edge AI models, including GPT 4.1, Claude 4, and Gemini Pro. This is a comprehensive AI assistant optimized for verified, factual information. Free tier showdown, where Perplexity wins. This is where Perplexity throws its first major punch. ChatGPT Free gives you access to GPT-4 Mini with basic features, but you're constantly hitting usage walls right when you need the platform most. Frustrating, right? Now here's what Perplexity Free delivers. Unlimited quick searches plus 3 pro searches and 3 advanced research mode uses daily with access to advanced models like GPT-4 and Claude. But here's the game changer that nobody talks about. Every single response comes with source citations, so you can verify the information instantly. Think about what this means practically. When ChatGPT tells you something, you either trust it blindly or spend time fact-checking elsewhere. When Perplexity tells you something, it literally shows you the receipts. For students, researchers, or anyone who needs accurate information, this transparency is absolutely game-changing. But wait until you see this. Perplexity's free tier includes real-time web access, while ChatGPT Free is stuck with training data cutoffs. Need current stock prices, recent news, yesterday's research developments? Perplexity delivers while ChatGPT often throws up its hands and says, I don't know. This next comparison is where things get really interesting, because at the $20 level, these platforms take completely different approaches to value. Pro tier battle, $20 monthly value comparison. Here's where the philosophy difference becomes crystal clear. ChatGPT Plus focuses on creative superpowers, DALL-E image generation, advanced voice mode, and Canvas for collaborative editing. It's positioning itself as your creative partner. Perplexity Pro takes a different route entirely. You get around 300 daily advanced searches, 50 monthly labs queries, unlimited file uploads, access to multiple AI models, and $5 in monthly API credits. But here's where Perplexity pulls ahead for many users. Every single search maintains that source transparency, and you can choose between different AI models based on your specific task. Let me put this in perspective. With ChatGPT Plus, you get access to one excellent AI ecosystem with creative tools. With Perplexity Pro, you essentially get access to the best features of multiple AI platforms, GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini, all with real-time information and source verification. For professionals doing research, market analysis, or any work requiring accurate current information, Perplexity Pro often delivers better value than ChatGPT Plus. The source citations alone can save hours of verification work that ChatGPT responses typically require. However, you are limited to 50 labs queries per month, which might be restrictive for heavy users. But this next part will surprise you, because both platforms just launched $200 monthly tiers, and the comparison reveals something fascinating about their priorities. Premium tier face-off, the $200. Both platforms launched $200 monthly tiers in 2025. ChatGPT Pro offers unlimited access to all models including O3 Pro reasoning and deep research features. Perplexity Max provides unlimited labs access, early access to features like Comet AI browser, and priority infrastructure. ChatGPT Pro gives unlimited access to one powerful ecosystem, Perplexity. Max gives unlimited access to multiple AI ecosystems with verified sourcing. For research-intensive work where accuracy matters more than creative features, Perplexity Max often provides superior value. where Perplexity outperforms ChatGPT. Let's get specific. First, research accuracy. Perplexity achieves 93.9% accuracy on SimpleQA benchmarks versus ChatGPT's tendency toward hallucinations. Second, real-time information access. Current stock prices, breaking news, recent research, Perplexity delivers, while ChatGPT provides outdated information. Third, transparency. Every Perplexity response includes source citations. ChatGPT requires separate verification steps. Fourth, multimodal access. Choose between GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini versus being limited to OpenAI's models. However, Perplexity has limitations, occasionally dim responses, limited creative capabilities, and poor customer support with 4-week response times. Where ChatGPT still leads, ChatGPT maintains significant advantages. Its conversational interface feels more natural and human-like, superior for creative brainstorming and collaboration. ChatGPT's multimodal capabilities, image generation, voice interaction, video analysis, completely surpass Perplexity's offerings. For creative projects requiring imagination over factual accuracy, ChatGPT provides a superior experience. Canvas collaborative editing and broader ecosystem integrations also give ChatGPT clear workflow advantages. Final verdict. Perplexity has evolved into a legitimate ChatGPT competitor that crushes it in research, accuracy, and transparency. It's a comprehensive AI assistant optimized for factual, verifiable information. Choose Perplexity if research accuracy, source verification, and real-time information are primary needs. Choose ChatGPT if creativity, conversation, and multimodal capabilities matter more. Many power users discover the best solution. Using Perplexity for research and ChatGPT for creativity provides the most comprehensive AI assistance available. If this opened your eyes, subscribe to BitBiased AI for honest AI tool analysis. Check our newsletter at bitbiased.ai for exclusive insights. What's your experience with Perplexity versus ChatGPT? Drop your thoughts below. I read every response and feature the best insights in follow-up videos.